Hello everyone. So in this video I am going to tell you which are the top 10 most beautiful tourist places in Ajodhya Pahad, Purulia. So be with me till the end of this video and experience the beauty of Bengal. This is Devaroop and you are watching my channel Devroop Travel and Films. Ajodhya Hills in Purulia is a small plateau with hill surroundings. It has some of the most beautiful lakes, dense forest, freshwater streams and countryside roads. Kilometers from Kolkata and 700 meters above the sea level, Ajodhya Hills is the best weekend destination. So if you are visiting Ajodhya Hills, don't miss these 10 most beautiful places during your visit. So let's start with Khairabera Dam. The enchanting Khairabera is popular for the Khairabera Dam and a huge water reservoir. With a length of 372 meters, the dam built with the Subarnarekha basin and it is an irrigation dam surroundings with forest at Bagmundi. The place has a vast water body with crystal clear water at the foothills of Chamtaburu of the Ajodhya range. It's 67 km away from Purulia main city. The second place is Marble Lake. It has a rustic charm of Ajodhya Hills. This lake was formed during stone cutting for mining. For lush green view, you have to come to see this lake during monsoon time. You can reach Marble Lake from Purulia main city by covering distance almost 50 km. The next one is Turga Lake. It is one of the famous lakes in the Ajodhya Hill circuit. The lake is surrounded by green hills of the Ajodhya range and the reflections of the hills in the water is extremely beautiful. You can also visit Turga Falls just beside the lake. If you are visiting Ajodhya Hills in Purulia, then you should visit this village named Chorida, also known as Mukhoshgram. Chorida is about 5 km from Bagmundi village at the scenic foothills of Ajodhya Hills. Chorida is famous for the Chhau mask used in the Purulia Chhau dance. Around 150 families are involved in mask making. This is a highly recommended place to visit in Ajodhya. The fifth place is Pakhi Pahad, which is another very popular tourist destination here. The hills that now have birds and animals etched into them have become a hotspots for tourists. People visit this place from across Bengal and neighboring states every year. The 800 feet high Pakhi Pahad, originally known as Murraburu Hills. It is an canvas for artist Chitto De and his team, who has crafted nearly 60 images and birds on the sheer rock face. The work is still going on. Next one is Pardy Lake. This lake is not so popular but a must visit to enjoy the sunset view and the hilly forest surrounding of this place. One side of this lake opens into the dense forest from where wild animals used to come and drink water from this lake. Bamni Falls. It is another pure natural bliss in Ajodhya Pahar. The falls is located near Beria village and is flanked by charming landscapes and greenery. Bamni is definitely worth a visit simply owing to its natural beauty and landscape. Do not make the mistake of excluding this one from your itinerary. Next one is Joychondi Pahar. Though it is not in Ajodhya Hills, but this one you can visit on the way to Ajodhya. Joychondi Pahar is a popular tourist attraction in Purulia district. It is 2 kilometers from the subdivision town of Raghunathpur and 4 kilometers from Adra town. At the top of Joychondi Pahar, there is a temple and you need to cover 500 steps to reach there. The Bengali film directed by Satyajit Roy, Hirok Raja Deshe, was mostly shot in this mountain area. Now let's see two more places as bonus in this video. Panchet Dam. Again, though this is not in Ajodhya Hills, but if you are coming to Ajodhya and if you have some times in your hand, you can visit Panchet Dam also. This is a multi-purpose dam of a Damodar Valley Corporation. It is situated at the border of West Bengal and Jharkhand. The Panchet Dam first opened in 1959. The dam gets its name for the nearby Panchet Hills that rises above the dam. It's a favorite tourist spot and easily accessible for a day trip from Dhanbad and Asansol. Lastly, Gor Panchakot. It's another beautiful place in Purulia and you can spend one night at Gor Panchakot before you go to Ajodhya. You can stay just near the Panchet Hill and the location is just amazing. Also, Gor Panchakot has some historical significance. At the foothills of Panchet Hill, there is a ruined fort. Overall, the place is great for one night stay. So these are 10 best must-visit tourist places in Ajodhya Hills, Purulia. But there are many other places which you can also visit, like Gajaburo Hills, Muruguma Dam, Boronti Lake and many more. So if you enjoyed watching this video, then press the like button, comment below and share this video with others. And don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get notification. Till then, travel, share and inspire.